Hi guys, before you guys go ahead and watch today's video and all the other videos that will be coming after this for a while until we say otherwise, there is something that I think you guys should know. There is a problem, I should say a problem, that YouTube is trying to fix within the YouTube community with kids protection. So they basically turn off the comment section of almost every video that Tyler appear in, even some video that Tyler don't appear in. Don't know why, but I guess YouTube will figure it out. Almost every family vlogger channel it happened to, so it's not just us that is affected by it. But I just want to tell you guys that if you cannot comment, just give this video a like, just to let us know that you guys still around. But I don't know if you guys be able to comment, but if you guys won't be able to comment, just know that it's not us that turn off the comment section. However, it is just for a while. It won't be like this forever. So I don't know how long it will take. I can't say until YouTube figure out how they're gonna go about doing this. It will be like this for a while. So I just thought I would let you guys know what is really happening, what is really going on. So if our comment section is disabled, it's not our doing, because we'd never do that. We enjoy talking to you guys so much, and you guys know that I respond to almost every single comment. So until then, I don't know what the comment section will be like, so just giving you guys a heads up. So if the comment section is off, don't be mad at us. It's not our doing, but YouTube. But until then, still watch, still catch up and keep up, and give us a thumbs up. We love you guys. Oh yeah, look at my hair, how my hair is wet, and I'll tell you guys why. You guys, my hair is wet because we just finished playing an exciting game on Tyler's channel. Come here so they can see you. Come up. And we had so much fun, so be sure that you guys are subscribed to Tyler's channel. That way you don't miss anything. Yeah.
I turned off my tablet.
Good job. We're gonna do what now? Give you a haircut. Tyler, stop with screaming. This is how my Sunday morning is going. I slept in this morning while babe take control of the house and everything else. Made breakfast, give me breakfast in bed this morning and everything. This little one is in good spirits because vacation is finished and he's going back to school tomorrow, and he's so excited. I've never seen somebody celebrate to come off vacation and go to school. Well, you're seeing it here. Yes, they're hearing you. You see how he's wet? Yeah, Mama gonna try and fix it for you, right?
They say, oh no, Mama.
Ah?
They say, oh no.
They say, oh no?
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna give him a haircut and give him a bath and take him out of his wet clothes. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna give him a haircut real quick. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Babe, say hi. Hi. You guys getting a super nice vlog today. Look, here, my child. Look at him. Look at me. Look at me. Ooh, you look handsome. Give me a smile. That's your new haircut? You like it? Ready for school tomorrow? Alright. Hey guys, I have been literally on a roll. Tyler is fed, done for a nap, and I just jump in the kitchen and is going all in because we need lunch, we need dinner, and I need lunch for tomorrow and possibly dinner. Let's see what we're left over, but I am here cooking up a storm. Let me show you guys what I'm cooking. I have curry chicken going over here. Thanks to Kimmy for sending me curry. I finally is making curry chicken. I couldn't wait. So curry chicken's bubbling. I already make veggie broccoli and corn and carrot over there. And in here I have quinoa. And who don't want quinoa have rice. I think I'm also going to make banana and dumpling, but let's see, because banana and dumpling would go nice with the curry chicken over there. And then over here I have 2 fish which I'm gonna roast in the oven, and then already in the oven I have a cake going which you guys can't see just yet, but as you can tell I'm on a roll today, literally on a roll. And while I'm cooking, baby's outside putting the first set of baby girl clothes on the line. That's the outcome of the cake, you guys. So my fish is in, and then my job here is done. Done. Curry chicken's done. Looks so yummy. My little rock star, he loves his glasses. Look in front of you, not down. Go. Good job. Yes.
I have.
You guys, can you tell it's a beautiful day out and we're going for a walk and a ride and a stroll on the bike.
Don't go down like that.
Come here. Come around. Come around. Round. Go this way. Yes, you can. This way. Come. You can. Yay! Good. You see? You're so cute.
Well, no, you see me alright, all by myself. What?
Yay! Look in front of you. Go. Look in front of you. I said don't go so close to the wall. You say if anybody is pushing you? No, you're doing it all by yourself. And you're doing very good. Look at you. I'm so proud of you. You gonna catch me? Go faster. Look in front of you.
Good job.
Good job, Joaquin. After I made dinner, this kid told me, what did you tell me you want for dinner?
Porridge.
Told me, Mama, I want porridge. So what he asked for, that's what he gets. Mama to the rescue, make him his oats porridge.
The thing make it sound out. Out goes to
Shoria Johnson. Shoria Johnson.
Soya Johnson, is this?
Yes. Say Shoria Johnson.
Soya Johnson.
And
And
Shanique Jarrett.
Shanique Jarrett is here.
This one, she.
Okay.
So thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Tyler have school tomorrow, so he's going to bed on time tonight. So we're gonna do sight words, and then he's off to bed.
No, that is not a mini.
After we do mini, we're doing sight words first, okay?
And then it's mini, and then it's biggest. Yes or no?
No, we're doing this one and then mini, okay?
Okay.
What's this one?
Telephone.
Spell telephone.
T E A E P H O N E. Let me
Very good.
call Papa. Hello, Papa. Je suis appelé toi.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Je suis en train
Ah,
d'appeler.
tu m'appelles. Ça n'a pas sonné. Attends.
Allô?
Allô, Tyler?
Allô, Papa. Je vais aller au lit.
Tu vas au lit maintenant?
Oui.
Oh, demain tu es à l'école?
Oui.
Ok. Est-ce que tu as brossé tes dents?
Oui.
Ok. Tu as fait pipi?
Oui.
Ok. Tu es prêt pour demain à l'école?
Oui. Au revoir.
Tu as fini? Ok. Bisous, Tyler. Au revoir.
Hello, Mama.
Hello, Tyler.
No, with your phone. Hello, Mama.
Hello, Tyler.
I'm going to school later, so it's almost summer, so bye. What?
You're hanging up on me already after you just called?
Because I'm going in the other school, because in the big black gate. Just here, Mama.
Okay, hang up. I'm gonna call you, okay?
Okay.
Calling Tyler. Hello, Tyler. Hello, Tyler.
Hello, Mama.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are you doing?
I'm doing something.
What something are you doing?
Can you sell me the Lego, please?
No. I can't sell you the Lego. The Lego is mine.
No.
But I can lend you one Lego from my Lego box.
This is my Lego box.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up and call you again, okay?
Okay. Hello, Mama.
Hello, Tyler. How are you?
I'm fine.
Guess what?
What?
I'm going to Jamaica tomorrow, and I'm not taking you with me.
Yes, I want you to take me with.
You want to come to Jamaica with me?
Yeah.
Why you want to go to Jamaica with Mama?
Because I want to take the first airplane to go in Jamaica. Then we take the second airplane to the big Papa to the place so we can stop here. And then we can
Okay.
take the Papa to go in the BSM Master Machine and BSM Master Machine costume.
Okay, so what's the first thing you're gonna eat when you reach Jamaica? Come here! Yes.
That's funny, Mama.
Yes, you're very funny. Let's finish sight words.
Mickey et Minnie sont assis sur une couverture pour un pique-nique sur l'herbe. Avec ces délicieux fruits, nous allons avoir plein d'énergie pour le reste de la journée. Tire plus fort, Mickey. Il va s'enfuir. Quelle amusante partie de pêche avec un poisson au bout de l'hameçon.